Hi guys, welcome to Expertiser Civil 3D training, and on this lesson we're going to see how to customize point tables. To get started, just download the exercise files. If you don't have from the description box, you can get the link, and you can also get the start file from the description as well. And yeah, let's get started. All right, so once you get the file, I'm just gonna open the file. So click on open. And lesson 6, so it's going to be 6-point table start. Here we go. So this is basically the exercise file from the last lesson. All right, so we got the points in your drawing, and we already customized the labels, we already customized the marker, we already seen that. So next what we're going to see is we're going to see how to create a table for your points, and what are the different ways of creating tables and how to customize a table. All right, to get started, generally whenever you want to do something which is specific to a particular object, you select the object and you get the ribbon on the top with all the relevant tools. So that is the first step to get started. So once you select it, we get the ribbon, and our goal is to create the table. So let's click on add tables, and you get the dialog box here. So first one is checking the style. So choose the style which is more relevant to you. So I'm going to choose the A and Z point coordinates table style, and so this is a label, this is a layer, the object layer. And so next is we can got two options here. So one is basically you can choose a point group, so all the points within the point group will be populated into the table. Or second is you can go and grab the points from the drawing, whatever the points you wish to have in the table. And then you can choose how you want to organize your table, how many rows you wanted, how many tables per stack, and what is the offset distance between the table, and how do you want to stack the table across or down, and the behavior of the table, whether do you want to put it like a static table or a dynamic table. The static table, basically it gets the data of the point and populate into the table, and after that if you move your point, the table is not going to be updated. So that's a basic difference. Yeah, so let's go and add some points into the table. So I'm going to use this method to add a point group. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to choose a trees group. It's going to have lesser points. Click OK, and that's added. You can add multiple groups as well, and then click OK, and you're going to place a table. So now most important thing is make sure that you go to the lower right corner to place your table. Do not place your table on the upper left corner, because sometimes the table tends to grow towards the right direction, towards the right side and towards the bottom. So if you're going to be keeping it here, sometimes your table might grow if you had more points, and at one point it might be on top of the model. So just go to the bottom right corner and then place your table. So the table is up here, and that's your table title, and that's your table headings, and that's your grid lines, and that's a row of information about all the points. Okay, so that's a Civil 3D point table and how to create a table. So in the next lesson what we do is we'll quickly run through into some of table customizations, and how do we add more columns and change the color and the headings and all this information. All right, hope you enjoyed, and keep following the other lessons as well. Thanks guys.